Okay, so today we're making whole bread, and these are the ingredients and the quantity of those in which we'll need. These are the utensils that we will be needing to use. So firstly, we combine water and milk, and you put it to warm in a pan on the stove. Then you pour the milk and water into a bowl. You add the honey and yeast and stir to combine. So we're adding the honey, and we are using instant yeast, right? So after that, you let it stand for 5 to 10 minutes or until the yeast began to foam. Then you add the flour, salt, and butter into a mixing bowl and mix using a paddle attachment until everything is combined. We're using the quantity that I showed in the beginning of the video, right? Then so we'll now see that the yeast is activated, and we pour it in and we mix. The dough should feel slightly sticky when you touch it, but a lot of dough should not stick to your fingers, right? So if the dough is very sticky, you should add 1 or 2 tablespoons of flour at a time as you need. So my dough needed some flour, and there you see it. It's a perfect dough. Next, you transfer the dough to a large oil bowl and turn it once to coat it with the oil. Then you cover the bowl with a clean kitchen towel and let the dough rise for about an hour or until it has doubled in size. So then you transfer the dough to a lightly floured work surface and you punch down the dough, deflating it and popping any air bubbles. You use your hand to gently pat the ball into a loaf shape, right? So here we're making it wrong, remember? Dirty palms, clean fingers. So we're greasing the pan. I'm sorry I do not have the correct bread pan, but I'm using what I have. So now we roll it into a loaf and we add it to the pan, to the greased pan, right? So there we add it and we cover once again with a clean kitchen towel and you allow it to raise for at least 20 minutes. You add it to the oven, the preheated oven, and you let it bake for 35 to 45 minutes. So when you're finished, I baked